Hello people, in this video I will teach you to pass automatic messages from one group to another group in the Telegram, okay? We use on Robot in the Telegram and your link is in the description. Just click and you'll find the robot in the Telegram, okay? Let's go. So, after clicking on the link, you will be redirected to the Telegram, okay? In the Telegram, people, you need click to connect or type start, okay? And send it. Now you can connect. You need connect in the robot, okay? For connect, you use barra connect your phone number. So you type barra connect prefix number DDD and your number and enter and send. After type and send, you receive a request on message, on code. You need type AA and the number of the code 14208 and send again. After this appears, you can see successful connected. Now after connect, we need collect the IDs for the groups and the channels. For this, we type bar chats and your number and send. Watch the numbers, the groups and channels set, and your IDs. After this, you type barra redirection add group 1 on your number. Now send the correctly IDs. This is my source ID and this is my target ID. Send. Success. Now the group send automatically messages from one group to another group, okay? For transformation messages, I create another video in another time, okay? See if it will help you, like this video and subscribe. Sorry for my English, my language is Brazilian, okay?